Now we are going to study. This is the series combination of the spring. As we know, whether it displays a little tension in both spring will be same. That is restoring force F will be same. Let in this displacement is y1 and in this displacement is y2. So this total displacement y equal y1 plus y2, and in this k1 y1 equal k2 y2, and this implies you may represent over here, that is k1 upon k2 equal y2 upon y1. One thing is this. Second, energy stored. Energy stored in this operation, energy u1 upon u2 equal half k y1 square upon half k y2 square. This is k1 and this is the k2. Now, as you know, we can write it like this one also. This is half k1 y1 into y1 whole upon half k2 y2 into y2. So further you must know, that is half and half cancel and k1 y1 equal k2 y2. This value and this value is same. So this implies u1 upon u2 is equal to y1 upon y2. This is, so these are relations to find energy. This is the energy u1 u2. So this is energy is stored in a spring, that is proportional to displacement, and this is spring constant is proportional, inversely proportional to displacement. This is the one of the case. And next we are going to study parallel combination. Some questions related with parallel combination. In this case, in this operation, I am telling you, this is an spring and this is another spring and this is the M mass body, and this is oscillating. This is spring constant K1 and this spring constant is K2, and it's oscillating. So in this operation, it is of mass m. So time period t equal 2 pi square root m by k. K is k1 plus k2. If design is changed, if design, second question, if design is like this is an spring and this is another mass and this is another spring, and its spring constant is k1, it's k2 and mass is m. Now this mass is a little displaced along this and released. So this mass will start on this, when it is released along this, there will be compression in spring this and extension in spring this, and due to this it will start oscillating. This is a parallel combination. This will be parallel combination. In this case, time period t equal 2 pi root m upon k, that is k1 plus k2. Compression value let y, so extension will also will be y. In parallel combination this happens. So this is will be the answer. And some other questions, please clear it. In case any doubt, confirm to me. Next question I am telling you. Next question is, this is and a spring. This is the pulley. This end is fixed, and at this end there is a mass body that is hanged. This is a spring constant is K. So you have to find time period. In this, I am going to solve time period in two ways, and both way knowledge is important. First is by force formula. T by force formula. In this operation, at this stage, let tension is T naught, and why tension T naught? Mass is, this is force acting downwards, and tension over here is T naught, and this is massless same wire, so this side also tension T naught, so this side tension will be twice of T naught. This is the balanced, and due to tension twice of T naught, the spring is stressed. Let extension in the spring is X naught. Extension in the spring is X naught. So in this operation, you may write mg equal T naught, and twice of T naught. In this, twice of T naught, this is causing extension in the spring, or restoring force, spring force, you can say restoring force, twice of T naught, and this is equal to K times of X naught. This is extension in the spring, and you may write it T naught equal mg. So the equation with this first, and this is the second. Now this is another equation, or for that I am drawing design over here. This is same spring, and this is the pulley, this is the fixed, and this is a mass body hanged. Now it is pulled downwards. Let by displacement x, the displacement in this is x. This is very important, please keep in mind. Same, this is the same, this is in equilibrium state, this is not in equilibrium state. Now this is displaced, this one is displaced a little bit by distance x. So this starts oscillating, and time period of oscillating mass m is to find. This is the important, not time period of this, not time period of this. Here is no mass, spring is massless, the pulley is massless. We are going to find time period of m mass body. M mass body is oscillating, its time period is to find. One question is this, that is important to clear you, to clear the concept. And our next case is this, whether this pulley, this is moving pulley, this is coming by y by x by 2 downwards, x by 2, x by 2. This is extension in this extension is x by 2. So if this spring extension is x by 2, the pulley will come downwards by x by 2, this side wire x by 2, and this side wire x by 2 will be released, and it will move and come downwards by distance x. So In this it was in equilibrium state, but it is not an equilibrium state. It is moving downwards, it is oscillating, it is, and there is extension taking place in the spring. So I am going to write motion of, now in this state tension was T naught. Now tension will be changed. Here tension is T, new tension will generate. So in this same wire, same tension is, wire is moving, but same tension will take place. It is massless. This is the T. Here 2T tension will create over here, and due to 2T extension is taking place. So here this is the 2T, and due to 2T there will be extension. Now 2T, by I am writing the equations. So first, related with this, what is equation in this? In this force mg is acting downwards, so T is upward, let m mass is moving upward, so restoring force F equal T minus mg. Restoring force, that is acting upward, T minus mg, and due to this it is oscillation is taking place. In this oscillation is taking place, and over here this is the 2T, due to this is the 2T, and due to 2T extension is taking place. So I am telling you, so in this case you must mind, there are one equation is this, in this is T minus mg equal restoring force acting on the mass m2, and in this case 2T, 1 minute, 2T equal, due to this tension, first initial extension was already x naught, and new extension is x by 2, this is into k, 2T equal tension T, this is the total force acting F2, you can say F2 equal 2T, and this is value. Now in this operation, you know, oscillating body, this is oscillating, this is equal to ky, k of these oscillations, or you can write k dash. In place of y it is taken x, you must write x, k dash x. So from this operation, you know, T 2T equal kx naught plus kx by 2, and k times of x naught is twice of T naught. You may substitute value over here. 2T minus twice of T naught equal kx by 2. So T minus T naught equal kx by 4. And we know very well from over here, that is T naught equal mg. If you are substituting T minus mg equal k by 4 x. So this is the T minus mg, this equation and this equation is same. On comparing, we are finding that this implies k dash, this value k dash is equal to k by 4. This is the spring constant in this operation. So if this is the spring constant in this operation, K equal, this is K by 4, you have solved it. So time period T equal 2 pi square root m by k, and k is, that is k dash is k by 4. K is spring constant k by 4. K by 4 is the restoring force, force constant for this oscillation. K by 4 is the k dash, that is the force constant for this oscillation, m mass body, and k is the spring constant of the spring. So this is the k dash, that is the force constant of this body, and that is the equal to k by 4, whether k is spring constant. And this is the answer. You may write 2 pi square root 4 m by k. So this is the technique to solve questions, many questions. So there is a shortcut if they are asking only time period. So there is shortcut. That shortcut also I am going to teach you. The time period T equal 2 pi root 4 m upon k. This answer you have got. So now we are going to study to find time period by the energy formula, by energy principle. What is the importance of this? Since energy principle is very simple and shortcut, I'll teach you concept so that very easy way you will find the answer. So what is the importance of this? It's very important because in this operation, first equilibrium state, and equilibrium state tension will be in wire, tension will be same T naught T naught. This knowledge you are getting. Downwards twice of T naught, upward twice of T naught T naught, twice of T naught total. So total twice of T naught. This is in equilibrium state, mg equal T naught. So this knowledge you are getting. Whether this is oscillating. Now this wire is not fixed, it is oscillating. Wire is this body moving up down. Compression, expansion in the spring is taking place. Then what will you do? Question is this. So from this you are getting the knowledge. A new tension will create. Due to new tension, let extension in this. Initial extension was x naught. New extension is x by 2. This is the total extension. Total extension into k. This is equal to new tension acting on this. That is 2t. 2t equal this. On further simplification, you are getting this, and T naught you have got it equal to balancing to mg. You are writing mg, and in this next you are applying the principle, that is restoring force, that is T minus mg. Due to unbalanced force here, the mass is going upward, restoring force. This is mass is oscillating. So T minus mg equal k dash x. K is force constant, and that you are getting. On comparison from this and from this, or from this and this, you are getting this value. This is this. Now, so next is importance is this. This is our force equation. If anything, if they are asking derive or find force constant, what is the value of force constant? So here force constant in oscillation of mass m is k by 4. Next, I am going to tell you time period by for energy time period T by energy formula. And this diagram I am covering. So whether it is oscillating, first it was in equilibrium state, now let it is displaced by y displacement. Here I am showing x and here also I am taking x. Okay, it is x displaced. If it is x displaced, you know very well in this extension expression will be x by 2. So in this I am going to write there is loss in potential energy of the mass and gain will be in kinetic energy of the m mass body. It will starts oscillating. There will be kinetic energy in this, and extension, let it is coming downwards, extension in the spring will take place, and potential energy of the spring energy will be stored by the whether the mass is coming downwards, let by x, energy will be increase in the potential energy of the spring plus kinetic energy of the m mass body. This will start motion and this. So energy, by the conservation of energy of m1 mass body half mv square plus energy stored half kx by 2 whole square. Whether first it was in equilibrium state, now after equilibrium state it is removed by x distance, the spring extension will be x by 2. Energy stored increased by this operation due to potential drop. Increase energy in spring is this, and due to kinetic energy this will come in kinetic velocity, this kinetic energy will gain, and gain as a kinetic energy half mv square. This is equal to constant. If any doubt, please clear. All type of numericals, there are many designed, and same will be under this principle. Equation, you will have to prepare equation by this principle. You will simplify, you will find the answer. Now I will differentiate it with respect to time t. Now differentiate with respect to time. So in this operation, this is half m 2v dv by dt. This is acceleration plus half k by 2. This is x square by 4, k by 4, and 2x and dx by dt. Derivative of constant is 0, you are writing 0. This is the velocity, dx upon dt velocity, this is velocity, this 2 and this 2 cancel, this velocity and this velocity is cancelled. So you are finding this is the acceleration, dv by dt acceleration, acceleration a equal this 2 and this 2 cancel. So you are finding k4 by kx by 4, k by 4x, and you know acceleration is in SHM. This is SHM, simple harmonic motion, and in SHM acceleration, this is mechanically you are finding acceleration, and by SHM acceleration is omega square y. So here this is equal to omega square x. This is by SHM. By SHM acceleration is this. So this implies this is equal to this. So x and x will be cancelled, and k 1 minute I have forgotten. There is mass m. I have forgotten mass I have written. Here I have forgotten to write mass m. So mass transfer this side 4m. This is So x and x cancel. So omega square equal k by 4m. So omega equal root and omega is 2 pi by t. This implies t equal t up this side line and bring t to this side. So from this t will be this side and this is 4m upon k root 2 pi, sorry, 2 pi and this equal to t. So time period t, this implies symbol is, this implies t equal 2 pi 4m by k. Omega, this is 2 pi by t. This is the time period. So in 2-3 lines you will find this, and for this you will have to do some labor. So in this way any design you can find. If any doubt, please clear to me. It's my wish to provide my 30 years knowledge so that students of India and the world can get problems very simple way. Concept must be very simple way, must be clear. Okay, best of luck. And if you think I'm giving you some knowledge to you, you are getting some knowledge, so please subscribe and help to other students by providing the site. Okay, best of luck.